Hi, it's Danny, video 3 on the abs. So we've covered the rectus, we've covered the obliques, internal and external. Just take a few breaths here, exaggerating a diaphragmatic breath, where you draw your abdomen back on the exhale and let your abdomen fall forwards on the inhale. So draw this back, this corset from the lumbar fascia all the way around, up higher as well. This whole area drawing in, part of pelvic stability, part of torso stability, is having this natural corset. Doesn't need to be held. If you hold it, you can't breathe, you can't digest, you can't bend, you can't move. So let's be fluid here, let's be relaxed here. Just take a few more breaths where you draw this whole region in, drawing in, exaggerate the out breath, exaggerate the diaphragm, and then you inhale to expand more. Okay, that was a really short video today. Make sure you get to the others about the flexion muscles, about the twisting and side bending muscles as well. Thanks for joining in.